In our physics class on activity day, we are talking about the states of matter. First of all, before studying the states of matter, we should know about the matter. Anything which occupy a place and have a mass is called the matter. We study about the states of matter in previous classes, which are three: gas, liquid and solid. But when we are going to 9th class, there are four states, which is plasma. But in this model we are presenting the three states, which is solid, gas and liquid. First of all, we are talking about the gas. In gas, molecules are randomly placed. These P's are showing the gas molecules which are randomly. Secondly, liquid, which are combined but not in a very bounded form. In solid, these molecules are strongly bound and have a greater force of attraction between them. So how they convert from cyclic form from one state to second state and third state? First of all, there is a gas state. When we talk about the gas, condensation process happen and it converts to liquid. From liquid, when it's evaporate, for example, water is a liquid. When we boil it, evaporation happens and it's converted to gas. Secondly, when liquid is freezing like ice, it converts into the solid. When we melt the solid, it again converts into the liquid. And gas and solid. When solid is converting into the gas by sublimation process. What is sublimation process? In sublimation, gas is converted into the solid directly without conversion into the liquid.